ಬಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Hi friends, good noon. This is Priya from Vastra Abharna, Bangalore. So we are just doing a quick live show for today. So actually these are on discounts in our website, like flat 100 rupees off. So while doing checkout, you will get direct discount on today's live show. You can start searching all these categories in vastraabarna.com. So this comes under Lenin category actually. So all these are flat 100 rupees off on in our website. So I'm just showing you what are the designs available in this categories. So if you are interested, you can start shopping in our website. I'll just wait for a few friends to join. Just 2 minutes, I'll start the show. So all these are, I'm just, it's a quick live show. We are going to show you what are the sarees available in our website for Pongal Shankranti sale. So all this comes under Lenin Brazo category, flat 100 rupees off. You will get that automatic discount while doing the checkout. So all these are beautiful collections. Vanakkam Chitra ma'am. So you can place order in our website. Only for website customers we are giving direct discounts. Okay, let me start the show. So we have different designs in Lenin Brazo category. Yeah. We have different designs in Lenin Brazo category. See this one. All these are very soft thread Lenin Brazo designs actually. So this comes with the copper weaving. The entire saree has got the beautiful copper weaving zari. So this is how the saree looks. So this is completely a copper zari weaving. This is how the saree looks, and this comes with the same color blouse. The entire saree has got a beautiful copper zari weaving. So we have 5 different colors in this. This is how the blouse looks. So you can check out all these colors in our website. So flat 100 rupees off. While doing checkout, you will get automatic discounts. So we have different colors in this. So all these are premium quality Lenin Brazo collection. So these are the colors available. Yeah, so these 5 different colors are available in this particular design. If you are interested, kindly check out in our website vastraabarna.com. So next time moving on to this design actually. This is actually a turquoise blue shade. So the entire saree has got the beautiful floral weave. So this is how the pallu looks. See this one. So if you place order on website vastraabarna.com, so you will get direct discounts while doing the checkout. So all these are available in our website. So very elegant, nice to drape sarees. So we have 4 different shades in this. We have black, we have kumkum red, and this is coffee brown. மேம் இது வந்து 1250. நீங்க வெப்சைட் மூலமா நீங்க வந்து ஆர்டர் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு 100 rupees ஆஃப் வரும். ஸோ இது பொங்கல் அண்ட் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் இதுக்காக நாங்கள் வெப்சைட் லான்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக நாங்கள் வந்து இது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோங்க. ஸோ திஸ் ஒன் இஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டிசைன் வாட் வி ஹாவ். ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் ஆர் காப்பர் ஃபினிஷிங் லெனின் பிராசோ sarees. So this is how the pallu looks. All this comes with a very rich weaving. This is a weaving, it's not a print. And this comes with the blouse. This is how the blouse looks. All these are copper finishing one. So 1250. Thank you Lingeshwari. Thank you so much. You can check out all these collections in our website under Lenin category actually. So we have uploaded all these images. We have different colors in this. See, this is a royal blue. We have a coffee brown. So this is a kumkum red. We have a wine shade. Yeah, this is a wine, and this is a Rama green. So these 6 colors are available in this copper finishing sarees. It's a Lenin Brazo, very soft, nice to drape. So you can check out all these collections in our website vastraabarna.com. So next we have this design. This is a wine color. It gives a very nice look if you drape. 6.30 meters saree. Normal wash at home. This is how the pallu looks. All this comes with the copper zari weaving. This is the blouse. This has already got tassels. It's a very soft linen brasso collection. So we have 3 shades in this. We have kumkum red, coffee brown and wine. So these 3 colors are available. You can check out in our website. So next I'm moving on to the self thread design actually. All these are self thread sarees in a linen brasso category. So this is how the pallu looks. This is a completely has got tassels. This is a very soft saree. So the entire saree has got the self thread design. Comes with the temple border. And this is how the blouse looks. All these are linen brasso. It's a linen silk brasso category. It's a very soft premium cloth. So you can check out all these collections in our website. So next we have different colors in this. So we have a pink. We have yellow. And this is a peach. These 4 colors are available. If you are interested, you can check out in our website. We have posted all the images. The previous one is 1250. So you will get 100 rupees off while doing checkout in our website. So next this one. So this is a different in linen brasso category. So this comes with 1450 price. So you will get the direct 100 rupees off. If you purchase for 999 also, it's 100 rupees off on linen categories. You can check out. See, the entire saree has got, this has also got a jari weave on the saree. So this is a multiple shade on the body. So and this comes with the, this is how the blouse looks. It's a beautiful floral design blouse. And this is how the pallu looks. So all these are linen brasso category. You can check it out in our website called vastraabarna.com. So in this different, each saree will have different designs. But it's a very soft premium quality linen brasso ones. All the images are uploaded in our website. So this is a royal blue color. It's a beautiful saree. So this is how the pallu looks. And this is the copper zari weaving blouse. So the entire saree has got the beautiful floral prints. It's a premium quality linen brasso. It's a linen silk brasso. It's not cotton brasso. The cotton brasso is different actually. All these are premium quality. So this is 1450 friends. You can check out in our website. We have uploaded all the images in website. So these are the colors and designs available. Yeah, so these are the colors and designs available in our website. You can check it out. It's a beautiful linen brasso categories. So 1450, all this you will get flat 100 rupees off on discount. While doing checkout. So next time moving on to the other ones, what we have in 1099 range. All these are 1099. You will get 100 rupees off on all this. So all these are linen cotton ones. All these are linen cotton ones. It's a very beautiful prints. So these are the branded sarees what we have. So if you are interested, you can start searching all this in our website. So you can place order immediately. See, this is a beautiful blue saree. So sky blue color comes with the pink color border. So 1099 you will get 100 rupees off while doing direct checkout. So this is how the blouse looks. The entire saree has got the beautiful printed design. So we have different designs in this. So these are the colors available. So we have posted all the images. You can check out in our website. So next time moving on to the other category what we have. So this comes with the jacquard weaving border. So this has got a very big border. All these are linen cotton ones. So these are the colors available in this category. So all these are linen cotton ones. It's a beautiful design. So all these are like same 1100. You will get 100 rupees off while doing checkout. So I have posted the website address in the description box. You can check out. This has a beautiful floral prints on the entire body. So this comes with the jacquard weaving border. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you so much. So these are the colors available. See this one. This is a very beautiful shade. It's a cream with the peach color border. It's a beautiful saree. All these are branded ones. There is a weaving design on the border. It's a very beautiful saree. So this is how the blouse looks. So these are the designs available. So each day we will going to give you each category sale. We are going to be on live. So if you are interested, you can check out in our website. So direct automatic discounts you will get while doing the checkout. So these are the colors available, friends. So this is also very beautiful. This is a bandhani print. Comes with the pink color weaving border. This is a black with orange. So this is a peach with pink color border. All this is a very beautiful design. So if you are interested, kindly check out our website. We have uploaded more images. So we have its silk category. We have Banarasi silk. We have jute silk, cotton silk. So many categories are available. So you can check out. If you are interested, kindly place order in our website. So these are the collections available for today's live show, and this is for the discount sale. So don't forget to place order. So that's all, friends. If you are interested, if you have any queries, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Actually, if you have any order, placing order, if you have any queries, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Thank you.